In order to fix Instagram notification not receiving issue, open your Instagram application and come to your profile corner, click to three lines. And from here, click to notifications. And from here, make sure that the posts all are turned off. Mine is off. Messages only are turned off. And come to post stories and comments. Click this. And as you can see, likes mentioned and everything is turned off. I'm turning on everything from everyone on. Likes, comments and photos of you from profiles I follow. Photos of you from people I follow. Comments from people I follow. Comments, likes and pins on once again. Post suggestions for you on. First post and stories from profiles I follow. Turning on once again. Stories, comments from profiles I follow. Add to post submission on, added to post on, finally collaboration invites, profiles I follow. Okay, once we're done, we're closing Instagram, and from our phone, we're coming to our phone settings, and from here, we're scrolling all the way down until we find apps, clicking this, and from here, we're gonna choose Instagram. Clicking this, we're coming to notifications, choosing this. As you can see, it's off and we are turning allow notifications to on. And that's it. Now you're gonna receive every notification from the Instagram instantly. Thanks for watching.